Your thyroid is one of the most important glands you have in your body. It's in charge of making sure your entire metabolic rate, including your hair, your skin, your nails, your digestive system, muscles, and circulation in general, function properly. When your thyroid is sluggish, your entire body becomes sluggish. Everything goes to a halt. So how can you fix it? How can you optimize its health to make sure that you never fall into disease? So in today's video, I'm going to reveal some of the most important techniques and tips you can follow to make sure you fix your thyroid and optimize its entire function. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel, as a conventional doctor, I treat patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to receive notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need all important quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com and stay till the end of this video to check the tips and video links related to this topic. The thyroid gland is one of the most important organs we have in the human body. Without it, no cell, no organ, no tissue in your system can function. When your thyroid is sluggish, you will feel sluggish. When your thyroid is hyperactive, you will feel hyperactive. Now, the balance of your thyroid is crucial because it makes sure that your body can balance out every single function. Blood sugar control, cholesterol, triglycerides, energy level, the growth of your hair, your skin, your nails, beauty overall, and even digestion or circulation. If your thyroid is not working, nothing will work properly. And if your thyroid is working the way it should be, you will feel that you have health and you can do everything you want. And on the other hand, if your thyroid is healthy, you will feel that your body is entirely 100% the way it should be. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal some of the most important tips and techniques you can follow to fix your thyroid and optimize its healthy function. Number 1, cut back on the foods that block thyroid function. Back in the day, we used to think that food had nothing to do with our health. Today, this is completely untrue. We see hundreds of new scientific studies coming out every year telling us that food has a great impact on our bodies. And the same thing happens with our thyroid. If you are eating foods that are blocking thyroid hormone function or the function of your thyroid, then obviously you will not have the entire, let's say, energy or metabolic rate you need to make sure your body stays healthy. Now, these foods obviously can affect your thyroid at the glandular level or affect the hormone, making sure it has that, let's say, connection with every cell and our metabolic rate. Some of these foods are, for example, everything that contains wheat. So wheat, breads, pasta, cookies, packaged goods also, which is just another category, right? Everything that comes packaged or canned or has chemicals will also have an impact on that cellular level, on that glandular level. And on the other hand, there are some vegetables also. There are some vegetables called goitrogens, vegetables that block also thyroid function. These are, for example, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and in general, cruciferous vegetables that can also cause this problem on your gland. The list I just mentioned are just some of the foods that might affect your thyroid more than other foods, obviously, and that we have seen in studies that have an impact on that metabolic rate. If you need something natural that can help you improve thyroid health and make sure you can actually help your body fix your thyroid, look for Metathyroid, Applizer, or Green Shot and Kirku Health from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Kirku Health contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory natural substances that will help your thyroid not be attacked by any, let's say, inflammation that might be making your life a lot harder. Number 2, you need the specific vitamins and supplements for thyroid health. Many people go to the lab, take a test, or go to the doctor, and they have symptoms. They have symptoms of being tired, their hair falling off, their skin may be a little dry, and the lab comes out okay. And it doesn't really mean that your thyroid is not struggling. It might be functioning still, but it might have that little, struggle in that everyday move. Now, if you have symptoms or you don't have symptoms, that doesn't matter. you always have an advantage if you take supplements or vitamins that can help your thyroid function fully. So for example, supplements like kelp or iodine or bladderwrack or algae or maybe even magnesium, selenium, certain minerals that can help your thyroid will have a great impact on this gland. My advice to you is to choose a supplement that can help and fit your needs and take it at least for 3 or 6 months to make sure that your thyroid can have that oomph into what it needs every single day. If you need something natural for this purpose, look for Hyperthyroid and Applizer from Fineland at drlandebar.com. Number 3, you need exercise and weight training. Now, exercise and not having a sedentary lifestyle can help every organ in your body, but especially your thyroid. You see, when your blood is a little bit more acidic due to exercise every day, especially weight training, when you have that lactic acid circulating in your system, this actually incendiates or actually makes your thyroid more active every day. People that have a sedentary lifestyle will suffer more from a thyroid condition more than others. They might feel sluggish, they might feel that their body's not reacting, or that their metabolic rate is also not functioning well. Well, try exercise. Start exercising. Make sure that you have your muscles train every day. That's the best exercise actually for thyroid health. Not too much cardiac exercise or, everything that has to do with running or bicycling and stuff like that. When you think of thyroid, think of acidic blood. That will activate your thyroid and make sure that it functions properly. And on the other hand, if you have for example, vegetarian diet, you will see that your thyroid is also less active every day. If you need something natural for this purpose to make sure they have you energy every single day to go to the gym or weight train or do the exercise you need to make your body react the way you want it, look for multivitamin, a multivitamin formula, and Hyperthyroid from Fineland at drlandebar.com. And help out the channel by giving this up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or an online appointment, visit drlandebar.com and check out these other videos with this topic that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.